Those are huge.
Yeah.
Okay, we're watching.
We're watching you. Go climb up them.
Did you make a path?
Yeah. Look at all the snow it picked up.
Yeah, that's good packing snow. Perfect. These parasites.
Go on, little guy. Go up one more. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Snow break.
You gotta eat some.
All right, now stand up.
King of the
Show
mountain.
Mama how you jump.
Oh, under the ground?
Oh, from on top of the big one. Okay, jump off the one you're on right now, Christopher. Stand up. Can you stand up?
Snow break.
Just speak at the end of it. You did it! Now show Mama you can jump off that snow mound. Don't jump onto that one. Oh, he smashed it to pieces before.
Did he? Little booger. Very nice. You guys have been
I think I'm gonna
busy.
get my snow clothes on and do that.
Okay.
Lauren, and we have to make a decision real quick. You can tell Mama what you want to do, but Bump City doesn't have that plate thing.